So you had to multiply 1 over 6 with 1 over 2, and your answer would have been 1 over 12. So the probability of you winning 5 million by throwing a 6 and throwing tails is 1 over 12. What is that? 0.02 something? .09, meaning 9% chance of you actually winning. That means you have a 92% chance of losing. Yes, you have to look at the other way around as well. We calculate winning, but you can also calculate losing. Chances of losing, 92%. Easy peasy. Another one. You have 2 dice. Regular dice. Why do we say regular? Because you have 4-side dice, 8-side dice, 12-side, different sides. So they say regular, so you know it's 6. Because it can come forth, especially in the exercises. They say you have a 4-side dice. What is or calculate the probability of you throwing a 3 and a 2. So you have to throw 3 on the first one, and you have to throw 2 on the second one. And means multiply, or means addition. The probability of throwing a 3 and a 2, 3 on the first one and 2 on the second one, 1 over 6 multiplied by 1 over 6. So your answer is 1 over 36. And now we change the game. We did and or followed by, and now we continue with the last part, which is or. What is the difference? Extremely easy. Or means you count the probability of the first thing happening, and you add the probability of the second thing that's going to happen. To give an example, I'm throwing 1 dice once. I need to throw a 1 or a 3. So when I throw the die, I need the 1 or I need the 3. It doesn't matter which one I get. I need one of them. It doesn't matter. And then we always use Laplace. What is the probability of getting a 1? That's 1 over 6. I said or, so that means I need to use addition. All right. 1 or 3. What is the probability of me getting a 3? 1 over 6 as well, which is 2 over 6, which then in turn becomes 1 over 3. That's it. Chapter 12 in 5 minutes. chapter 12 completely. That is the only thing you need to know about chapter 12. This is as difficult or easy as it's going to get. Now, I've only focused on calculating the probability. There is also a way of writing it. Now I'm going to bore you or entertain you with the way you write it by choosing an exercise. If you look at example 4, they do not simply write the fraction. There is something written in front of the fraction. They write capital P for probability. They place in brackets the element that they want. So the probability of receiving head on a coin is a half. The probability of receiving an even number is 3/6. So if we go back to this specific exercise, what is the probability of receiving a 1 or a 3? P and then you write all that I have written here. If you forget writing this part, correct, I did not even have to say it. So don't forget to write this. Probability of, in certain cases, not always, you can write the probability of equals and so forth. In certain occasions, you can just write it out. Certain occasions, it depends on the question. But at 99.9% of chance, or of the time, probability, brackets, the thing that you want. We shall do 1 or 2 exercises. And then paper 2 probably in 2 weeks or next week. When do you want it? Next week? All right, next week. In 2 weeks? Is it 31st? I have to check. You might have dia toetsen, something like that. Seven. A bottle contains 6 red, 4 green, 2 yellow, and 1 orange marble. Find the probability that a marble chosen at random is red or orange. Page 289 for the 5 millionth time. We shall spin the wheel once again. Certainly, it can never be left out. So that person can explain to the rest what he or she has done. 6 red, 4 green, 2 yellow, and 1 orange. You place your hand in that bag, and it has to be or red or orange. What is the probability of that happening? I forgot someone. Doesn't matter. Yes, congratulations. Nakisha has the opportunity to give us the answer. Yes. I don't understand. Twice? Yes, because you were not here last time. That means you have twice the chance of winning. Yes, Nakisha, you can write it on the backboard. If you get it wrong, instead of 75, we make it 85. Yes, the answer is done. I need someone who receives 99 for mathematics to check for me if it is correct. Is it correct? I don't know. So, this is a paper 2, and I saw this. Should I or should I not give the points?
Not give the point.
The question is, why should I not give the points? That's the question. So, the thing I just said 5 seconds ago, the probability of what happening, red or orange, equals the thing that you wrote. Equals, what was it, 6 over 13 at 1 over 13, and my answer or final answer, this is how it should be written. Do not forget, last year one person forgot all of them. So you can imagine what happened to his test. The last one for today. What's it again? Exercise 4. Let me see. Easy or difficult? Easy. E is the easiest one. 4E is the easiest one. I only choose easy ones. All right, congratulations. Samuel will make it on the blackboard. And if your answer is not the same as his, that means you are wrong. Find the probability of getting a red card and a black ace. The person who gets this right is exempted from 75 plus. If you get this correct. This is the easiest one, of course. If you get it correct. So you have to show it to me. Samuel is going to make it. Yes, we have 3 more minutes for Samuel. Sorry? You take. Finished? Yes. E. 4. P equals 1 divided by 52. So, if this was algebra, maybe it would have been something correct. Maybe. But unfortunately, we are dealing with probability. Unfortunately. So begs the first question. You take a card out of the deck and then you place it back. And then you take another one. The first one you took had to be red. The second one you took had to be a black ace. The question is, how many red cards are there? There are 26 red cards. How many black aces are there? There are 2 black aces. And the word that separates is and. That means the first card I draw has to be red, and the second card I draw has to be a black ace. So the probability of a red card and a black ace equals multiplied by when you simplify to make it easier, your answer becomes, this is 52 again. There we go. This is the correct answer. So for paper 2, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 12 completely